Hello, and welcome to Tips and Tricks. My name is Olamide. I'm a new training support specialist at the Hollywood Loan Library Distribution Center. My contact information is below. Feel free to contact me if you have any questions about this or any other products available in the AT and UDL Loan Library. In this video, I will be discussing the Expert Mouse by Kensington. The Expert Mouse is a wireless trackball that offers the flexibility to enhance productivity without being tethered by a USB cable. Individuals with dexterity limitations and limited arm movement can benefit from using the Expert Mouse. The Expert Mouse can be paired through Bluetooth, LE, or through a USB port with the included nano receiver. The Expert Mouse has a spherical red ball that provides a hard surface for precise tracking and control. Along the outside of the red ball is a scroll ring that allows for users to easily scroll through web pages and documents. On the outside of the trackball, there are 4 customizable buttons that can function as either the left or right click, depending on the user's choice. On behalf of the AT and UDL Technology and Learning Connections team, I would like to say thank you for joining us today. For more information and other videos, please take a look at our website. Have a great day.